In this video, I'll show you what is function type or function type expression in TypeScript. So let me create one function first. Suppose the name of the function is print message, and it takes one parameter message. It's of type string, and it's printing this value of this message. So here I am writing console.log with the message. Let me create another function, execute, and the argument of this function is of type another function. So the type is like that. It will take another function which can take one string as its parameter, and that function will return void. So basically we are passing one function to another function. So inside this function, I'm gonna call this function that we are passing, and since this function takes one string as a parameter, so here I'm gonna pass the string. So if you see, the print message is of type X. It is like similar type, so we can directly call execute with print message. So you can see that it's not showing any error because print message can take one parameter of type string, and it's printing that parameter. So the body is not recorded, but only thing is that that it's taking one parameter of type string, and it's not returning anything from this function. So it's returning void. So if I save it now, you can see that hello world is printed here because it will call basically this print message. We are passing the print message to this to this X, and this X is called by passing this parameter. So this is called function type expressions in TypeScript. We can also define that using type alias. Suppose the type is print type, and here we can write it like this, and here I can pass the type print type. So if you see, it's printing that message again. So we can also create any other types, like here it is returning void. Also we can read it can be of any type. Suppose it's taking one number, and also it's returning one number, and here we are printing the return number. So the X is of type print type, so we'll call X with some number, say 2. Then let me create one function, find square, and here I'm gonna take one number, and I'm gonna returning the square of that number. Let me create one more function, find cube, and it will return the cube of that number. We can also use array functions, so let me create the find cube as one array function. Find cube, and it will take one number, so here it will return x into x. That's the cube of this number. So return type is of number. So here I'm gonna call it with find square, and also I'm gonna call it with find cube. Now you can see that for the first one it's printed 4, and for the second one it printed 8. So that's all for now. So this is the way we can define one function, and we can pass one function as the parameter in TypeScript. So if you have any question, please drop one comment below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks, bye.